Microsoft global outage impacted various businesses and services dependent on Azure, bringing their operations to a standstill. A major outage of Microsoft's Azure cloud platform caused widespread disruption across multiple sectors globally this week, underscoring the critical vulnerabilities of relying heavily on cloud services. The Microsoft outage began on Thursday evening, affecting Microsoft's central U.S. region and continued into early Friday. The disruption impacted various businesses and services dependent on Azure, bringing their operations to a standstill and highlighting the urgent need for robust redundancy and failover mechanisms. The blue screen of death. The incident brought to mind the notorious blue screen of death (BSOD), a familiar and dreaded error screen for Windows users. The BSOD, a blue screen with white text, signals a fatal system error that often results in data loss and system crashes. These errors typically occur due to hardware or software conflicts, corrupted files, or driver issues. How to resolve a blue screen of death. Though encountering a BSOD is less common in modern Windows versions, users can follow these steps to resolve the issue. Restart your computer often. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Check for updates, ensure your operating system and drivers are up to date. Run a virus scan. Malware can cause system instability. Check your hardware, ensure all components are properly connected and functioning. Use System Restore, revert your system to a previous stable point. Run a memory test, check for faulty RAM modules. Reinstall Windows as a last resort. Consider reinstalling your operating system. The impact of Microsoft's Azure outage. While the Azure outage didn't cause literal BSODs on user devices, it had a similar cascading effect on businesses and services relying on the cloud platform. Microsoft confirmed that the Azure outage was resolved early Friday, but the incident served as a stark reminder of the potential consequences when critical infrastructure relies heavily on cloud services. As more businesses and services move towards cloud-based systems, the need for robust infrastructure and contingency planning becomes paramount. This incident underscores the importance of having reliable backup systems in place to mitigate the risks associated with cloud service outages.